Together with the new Stage 5 emission regulation development, Metso has introduced completely redesigned hydraulic system in a Lokotrack mobile plant. The new system enables the customer to operate with over 50% less oil without losing any of its superior performance. Key development in the new design are the new high-quality genuine Metso filters. These filters ensure extremely high filtration ratio with minimum hydraulic power loss during the whole service period. Scheduled preventive maintenance is the only way to keep the machine in perfect working condition. When maintenance is taken good care of, the machine will operate effectively with minimum downtime and will keep the machine reselling value high. New redesigned hydraulic system together with these genuine Metso filters were first introduced in this new LT200HP and will be brought eventually to our whole compact sized fleet. All filters for every service period can easily be found in our maintenance kit. With these tailored maintenance kits, all preventive maintenance is done without any problems. These genuine Metso spare parts deliver you the best uptime and trouble-free operation. Choose wise, choose genuine Metso parts.